Seniors, you have been lied to. Your doctor called it aging, but your body is actually screaming that something entirely different is going on. Every man or every senior over 50 who is losing energy, losing drive, losing performance in the bedroom is not facing an age problem. He is facing a mechanical failure.
And mechanical failures have mechanical solutions and remedies. You are not broken yet, just that you are blocked. And that changes today in exactly 10 minutes a day.
Here is what is actually happening inside your body. After 50 good years, your glutes shut down from years of sitting. Your hips lock up and tighten. Blood flow to your pelvic region drops sharply. And your brain stops receiving the hormonal signals it needs to produce testosterone at full capacity. This is not a slow, graceful decline. This is actually a full system crash happening silently inside your body right now. No gym, no equipment, no pills, just 3 exercises done in the right order that force your body to restart testosterone production from the ground up. Please, before we dive in, my name is Gladys. I am a surgical oncologist with over 17 years experience. Please kindly subscribe and turn on notifications because we are here to serve great seniors like you. Now let's dive in. Exercise number 1 is the horse stance. Most men laugh. Then they try it, feel it, and regret every single year they skipped it. The horse stance looks simple. Feet wider than shoulder width, toes pointed slightly out, hips dropped until your thighs are parallel to the floor. But what is happening inside your body during that hold is anything but simple. Holding this position triggers nitric oxide production, the exact compound your blood vessels need to dilate and flood your pelvic region with fresh circulation. Stand wide, lower your hips, keep your chest up and your back straight. Start with a 30-second, hold and build towards 60 seconds over time. Breathe slowly and deeply through your nose while you hold. That breathing is not optional, it directly suppresses cortisol, the hormone that kills testosterone production. 3 sets. Do not rush. The burn you feel in your thighs means your blood vessels are finally opening. Exercise number 2 is the glute bridge. Your glutes are the engine of testosterone production, and after years of sitting 8 to 10 hours a day, that engine is completely stalled. Lie flat on your back, knees bent, feet flat on the floor at shoulder width. Press through your heels and drive your hips toward the ceiling. Squeezing your glutes as hard as you can at the top. Hold that position for 2 full seconds before you lower down. That 2-second hold is not a rest. That is the entire point. That sustained contraction is the precise mechanism that forces blood directly into your pelvic floor. Most men rush through this exercise and get 0 hormonal benefit. The pause is not the break, the pause is the point. 3 sets of 15 reps. Do not skip the hold. Exercise number 3 is the dead bug. Nobody takes this one seriously, and that is a costly mistake. Your pelvic floor is governed by a nerve network called the pudendal nerve. When your deep core is weak and disengaged, which is extremely common in men over 50, this nerve becomes compressed and underactivated, causing reduced sensitivity, reduced control, and reduced performance. The dead bug fixes this directly. Lie on your back, arms extended straight up toward the ceiling, knees bent at 90 degrees with your shins parallel to the floor. Press your lower back firmly into the floor. Do not let it arch. Slowly lower your right arm. Extend your left leg simultaneously, hovering both just above the floor. Return and switch sides. 10 reps per side, 3 sets. Move slowly. The first 2 exercises cannot reach their full hormonal potential. The sequence only works when completed. 3 exercises, 10 minutes. Done in this exact order, every single morning. This is not a workout, this is a biological reset. The men who dismiss this are the same men who will still be declining 6 months from now, wondering why nothing works. Drop a comment below telling me which of these 3 exercises you have been skipping. And if you want to know the one food that is silently killing your testosterone after 50, please kindly subscribe right now and turn on notifications, because that is exactly what the next video reveals.